Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I want to show you what I have for breakfast because I'm trying to lose some weight, of course. I know I've been playing games with my weight, but I gotta get on it, because summer's around the corner and we can't be playing with that. So I'm gonna show you what I have for breakfast, what I ate for lunch. Well, I already ate it, but I'm gonna just let you know, and what I made for dinner. Okay, stand by. So for breakfast, this is what I did. I froze these the day before, of course, sliced them up, froze them. Oh my god, it came out so good. That's the smoothie I had. This I got for $1, which is awesome. And this is peanut butter powder. I added that and a little bit of cocoa. Gives it like a nice little chocolate flavor. So that's what I added. You can make it however you want. You can add ice or however you want, but it still came out slushy because I froze the bananas. So for lunch, I had 2 boiled eggs and tuna fish. Let me get that package for you guys. So that's what I have for lunch. Lemon pepper and garlic. I guess it comes seasoned already with 2 boiled eggs. And then I made this while I was making breakfast also because it gets done quickly. I guess I kind of like stir fry this. I used a little bit of this in the pan. And then I cooked it for like 3 minutes in each side. 3.5 minutes in each side or so. And I have here mushrooms. They came already sliced. And this rice that you can basically heat it up in the microwave for 90 seconds. And it's supposed to be a healthier rice. It says long grain and wild rice. And what else? What else? So this is what I use to season the meat. This one is like a seasoning salt. It brings out the flavor. A little bit of sazon because I like some color in my meat. Sorry. Garlic, onion powder, black pepper, and the mushrooms I seasoned it with just these 3 right here. And then I put a little bit of this in the pan and boom, spray, and then left it there for about 5 minutes, like stirring it and stuff like that. And that's lunch right there, guys. And of course, water throughout the day. That's what I have for breakfast. Well, I mean, when I was doing my workout this morning, I was drinking water, of course. You have to drink water. A lot of water is really good for you. But definitely try that smoothie, guys. I think you're gonna like it, especially if you freeze those bananas. It tastes really good. And that's gonna be my dinner for later. If I get hungry, around, I don't know, 3 o'clock or something, maybe I guess I'll have one of these and then the other one for dinner. Because if I don't eat anything from now till dinner, I think I might just die of hunger. So yeah, guys, just keep in mind you have to work out and eat right for the process to work, okay? Definitely, you can't do one without the other. It has to be both, okay, guys? Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions and you want me to make more videos like this or showing you how I cooked it and everything, the whole process, just let me know in the comments below. I will definitely do that. I won't have no problem. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate it. I know it's short, but I was just showing you what I'm having for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and for snacks, I will have some applesauce or something like that, or pretzels, because the snacks I like, they might keep my ass fatter and fatter. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Take care. Have a good day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.